going to make a print block that you can print onto fabric or card or paper or even walls, so you can print these over and over again. I'm using this funky foam that you can buy in shops, but you can use recycled polystyrene food cartons. You can use lots of different things like matchsticks, string. This is string, this is matchsticks, and also you can use anything textured like fur fabric and net curtains and things like that, wallpaper. What you need to start off with is a piece of cardboard, and then cover it in this double-sided tape to peel it off to leave the sticky behind. It's quite good stuff. It's like instant glue. So if you haven't used it before, you pull it across, stick it down, and you can rip this stuff, just smooth it down, and then pick it at the edge to leave the sticky behind, and the white bit should just come off quite easily. And there's two things that you can do. So if you've got the funky foam, you cut it to size, the same size as your piece of card, and then you can do this, so you can stick it straight on and draw into it, draw your design, so it's carving into it with a biro or a sharp pencil. A biro is better because it doesn't break, so any line that you do will make a pattern. Or there's other things you can do. You can cut out your shape and stick it on, and I made a little border so that helps it to print and it also looks good. There's other things that you can do, so you can randomly just make a pattern out of little shapes and just stick them on. So you can quite quickly make a little pattern. The best thing to do is not to overlap them, so that they print nicely. So I'm going to show you how to put the paint on these. This is acrylic paint, but what you can use is ready mix paint as well. So the best thing about using paint and a brush rather than a roller, like this is a printing roller, is that you can do 2 different colours, so, or 3 different, however many colours you like. So I'm just quickly spreading it all over the orange bit. I'm not being too careful. The best thing about printing is that you just go with the little marks that it makes. If you're doing any lettering, you must remember to do it back to front, reverse it, because when you print it, it comes out the wrong way around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it onto paper first. So these are some I did before, and I can fit 4 onto here if I'm careful. So you can print onto fabric, like I say, but I'm going to do a little experiment, a little trial run onto the paper first. Lift it up, and you can do another one. Press on a little bit harder. So I'm holding it with one hand and rubbing it with the other, or you can stamp it like that. And what happens is you get a fainter copy, but you still get another one, so it's quite effective. So that's how you can do it. You can also, remember, use the matchsticks.